I'm here with Jess and Damien from James Lewis Agricultural High School in Carlingford, and we're here with the cow Gossypium. Would you like to tell us why your cow is called Gossypium?
Gossypium is the botanical name for cotton, and our thing was cotton.
A group of 20 students all worked on this cow. At the beginning of this project, barely any of us knew a lot about cotton, but throughout this project, we come to appreciate just how much cotton is actually in our everyday lives. We found out that several parts of the cotton plant is actually usable. The fibre is used in clothing and in candles, like the candle wick, and like in furniture as well.
As part of the program, I believe that you are given a Young Farming Champion, and yours was Richie?
Richie Quigley, yes. He came and he showed us a very interactive PowerPoint. One thing that he did tell us that helped us with the cow was the use of water. It's a misconception that farming cotton uses a lot of water, and while it does use quite a bit of water, us farmers in Australia have really learnt to control the use of this water so it doesn't impact too much on the environment.
In a 2005 investigation of cotton industries around the world, it was found that the Australian cotton industry was one of the most water efficient in the world. Blue water means the amount of water used that was evaporated from natural blue water resources like oceans and lakes. And green water refers to water evaporated from trees and leaves and stuff like that. We used information which we found and decided to put percentages on the cow to represent just how much blue water and green water the cotton industry uses, and as shown on the cow, 61.8% of water usage is blue water and 38.2% of water is green water.
This side of the cow was designed by our other co-head of design, Natalie Ding. Her inspiration for this side of the cow was the technology and science that actually goes into the cotton industry. The bones are made by paper mache. Inside, underneath the bones, instead of the digestive system and things like that, it was replaced by cogs, and the imagery of machines were meant to represent the technology and science, especially the genetically modified part of cotton and how it all meshes together well like a machine to help the cotton industry grow. The dirt simply represents the soil, and it's tactile, so it's interesting. People come up and touch it. It's also joined onto this side of the cow, which shows the water used in the cotton industry, so it shows how much water really does affect the soil and the growing of the cotton plant. Yeah.
So the wire is very intricate and very interesting and really visually effective. What does that represent and mean?
We got an actual cotton branch and we wrapped it around in wire to represent the sturdiness, the actual strength of the cotton industry. And the roots, which are also made of wire, go around the entire cow. You know, they wrap around the whole thing to show how all these parts of the cotton industry really, mesh together well.
I noticed that on your cotton plant, you have a QR code. What does it lead to?
That QR code leads to our award-winning video, which was collaborated on by 5 of our team members, and the leader was our friend called Zen.
He animated the video and made it very active. It's not actually live action because our resources were quite limited. The script was worked mostly by Sen and Alex. Alex was their co-head of research and we helped out a little bit. And it's read by Harsha, our friend with a very nice voice.
Well, thank you so much for your time here today, both of you. This cow is incredible. Obviously, a lot of thought and effort has gone in behind the meaning behind the cow. Every little detail that you put in has some sort of reflection on the cotton industry. It's just incredible. So thank you.
Thank you.